Hey you all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Joe and today I will be working on this beautiful laundry chest or chest of drawers. You can see it's a beautiful, gorgeous piece of furniture, but I have decided that I want to paint it in something which is very different and bold. So first step is that we will remove the hardware. It is very old and I'm not going to be using it on this dresser because it wouldn't go with the finish that I have imagined. So we are going to just remove it and set it aside. The first step after removing the hardware, I'm going to sand this whole piece down. I'm using a 120 grit sanding sheet. It's one of the old sheet that I wrapped around a sanding sponge and I'm sanding it all down. So nicely sanding all the drawers, the side, the top, everything. And once that is done, we will move on to cleaning it, wiping it down with the Kirkland baby wipes. They are alcohol free, very gentle on the furniture, and that's what I like to use. So we will wipe it off and clean it from any debris, any residue that may be there, and then we will begin to paint it. So we have collected all the dust and now let's begin to paint. For this, I have chosen three colors. You can see two shades of red and some grunge to add with is black. So first I am going to be just using the two reds, blending them on the drawer side by side with the same brush. So it's a very organic blending. That is what I want, very natural, very grungy. So mixing the two colors to get a shade that I want. And once we finish the blending, I think I like it. I am going to probably do two coats. So first coat is blending these two reds, and once I'm done, then this is the black that I'm mixing with the red. This is my second coat. You can see I've not done the sides yet. I'm doing the front and I'm mixing the reds, both the reds and the black, blending it on the drawer to get that over grungy finish. And I'm using the same brush with all the three paints here, and you can see I'm just going in a circular motion and blending the paints, the colors on the drawers. So my blending is done and I'm very pleased with this. Now comes the designing part. For this, I am going to be putting some florals, and the florals that I've chosen is this large transfer. It comes in three sheets and you can see they're pretty yellow and red florals and with some green leaves. So this is what I am going to be putting on all the drawers. The three sheets are enough because we would just need to cut according to the size of the drawers and keep on aligning them. So this is my plan for now, that we will just put this transfer on the front. So let's begin. So I'm going to start from the bottom because it's easier to work upwards. This is my the last sheet of the transfer. I'm going to cut out the extra so that I can align the transfer well where it should go. So this is where it goes, and then I'm going to cut the florals so that it sets exactly within the rectangle space of the drawers. I wouldn't put the transfer on the side trim, just in the center. So we have the exact cutout here. This is the backing of the transfer, the white sheet. We are going to remove this, and here is my transfer. I'm gonna go place it, align it, and I am going to rub it. This is a transfer tool that I'm using. Is an amazing tool to rub your transfers on. So I am going to apply the transfer on the bottom drawer and then work my way upwards. So the first sheet is done. I'm using this polishing pad to remove the halos and blend in the transfer into the paint. So it's a very important tool to burnish your transfers. This is the continuation of the sheet. You can see I'm aligning it here, and I am going to cut the extra because it is hanging in there, which I don't want, because I want it in within the space of the drawer. So once it's done, I'm going to apply it again. So here comes my second sheet. I'm aligning it with the first sheet here. So once I get the exact part of the transfer that I need, I just fold the transfer right there, cut it out, and I am going to align and place it in this way. I am going to be using 3 sheets and work my way upwards, and let's see until where we reach with this transfer. So here is some a little bit extra. I'm just going to use my scissor and cut this extra portion out so that it sits exactly where the line is. And yes, it's perfect. So we will just go and rub this transfer here and use the polishing pad to burnish it, and I think it looks good so far. It's turned out neat. So I left the second drawer from the top and I moved on to the top drawer because I am using the cutouts of the florals here and there from the cutouts that were left from our 3 transfers, and trying to mix and match and finish up these 2 top drawers. So you can see I've just cut out the florals and I'm just putting them here and there to fill in the space and make it look more uniform. So this is the second transfer that I am going to be adding to the chest of drawers. You can see it is a beautiful script. It is a gold foil transfer. I felt something was missing on the dresser and this would be the perfect addition. Well, we will see once we start putting on it. You can see this is how the transfer looks at the back. You can still see the script there, but it is in silver and the front is in the gold. So we will be going like randomly wherever I feel that I want to put the script, and I'm going to just put it there, rub it, and see how it looks. But it wouldn't be like completely covered in the script, but somewhere here and there. So I'm just placing this corner, rubbing it, and it's very easy to apply this transfer. These are foil, they are very delicate, and see the gorgeous script, how it looks here. I think I love it. So I'm just going to go very organically on this dresser and put the script, and let's see. I think I'm very pleased with the look, and I'm sure you will like it too. So this is all done, and I am going to be sealing it. I'm using the clear wax for sealing this whole transfer in the paint. I am because I plan to do some dark wax, and that's why I decided that I will seal it with the wax and not with the top coat. So you can see it's white in color, but when you apply it, it's transparent and it secures the transfers into the paint, and it just makes it very durable. So it's very important to seal your transfers. So once my clear wax is done, I left it for a few hours, and then I'm going over with the dark wax. It's a black wax to make it look more grunge. Already we had some character there with the black paint and the grunge we added, but this dark wax has added more dimension to this piece, the florals and the gold foil, and it looks more muted. So we are done, we leave it, we will buff it with the clean lint-free rag for the sheen that we want, and then we will be putting on the new hardware. So I chose this hardware for the dresser. I spray painted in gold paint to blend in with the gold script that we had. And this is how it turned out. I hope you enjoy watching this makeover video with the grunge, with florals, and a lot of combinations going in. All the product links are in the description below. I will see you next time with another video. Till then, take care.